Morning, boys and girls. Welcome to my vlog. This is my first real kind of video on my tiny little Canon ICSI. This morning we're going to have a quick look at the room which was the former kitchen, which I'm slowly changing, decorating into what will be my brew house, I hope. Let's have a quick peek at what's happening. Well, now as you can see, the floor is disgusting. I actually ripped up the vinyl and exposed this tile adhesive, which I think I'm going to leave in place because I'm going to just cover it with a leveler. Now, if you look at the basic place, I've painted the walls. You can see they're looking pretty good. I've got to do some filler and I'll fill up these disgusting little holes. I'm going to remove this pipe work and seal it up. I'm also going to cap the gas pipe and possibly connect an earth to there, because we're dealing with 200 volts, so that's a little bit dangerous. You can see there's a space there for a fan, so I'm going to fit a cooker hood, I think, across the whole length here. It's about 2 meters between wall to wall. A couple of months ago, maybe a little bit longer than that, I got the 200 volt outlet installed. You can see it's a configuration. It's like a NEMA American style 4-pin. I'll probably fill up that hole with expanding foam. I'll just kick back. The brew box itself is going to go up on the wall there. The cable is going to hang down across the window. I'll go down here and I will fit countertop on here. It's about 2 meters, like I said earlier. It's about a 2 meter gap. I can fit 3 90-litre vessels in there, which I'm going to be brewing on. I'm also going to fit a sink. Now, if you look carefully, there is, behind some of the crap, there is a waste outlet there, which I could potentially put in a floor drain, but I'm really worried about the potential leaks to the space downstairs, the retail unit downstairs. There was one leak previous in the bathroom, sorry, in the toilet, and I'll just quickly show you that. We'll scan around, open this shitty door. Yeah, look, they put a new concrete floor in there. There was an actual outlet there in the middle of the floor, but I think it leaked at some point downstairs, so they were complaining, so that got changed recently. We'll just step back. As you can see, there's a lot of work to do. I've got to level the floor, fit the kitchen counter, seal up the pipe work, cap off the gas, get a fan in as soon as. I also might have to cover the smoke detector with a plastic cap, kind of like a shower cap basically, so when I'm brewing I might cover that up. And I'll also realign the light so it runs parallel to the vessels. Ooh, let's see, we got power. Yeah. As you can see, the brew panel's top notch. I'll just plug it in, which is up here. Ooh, here we go. Let's plug this baby in. Right, once it's plugged in, a little key switch start. Boom, we're on. Hopefully you can see this. The amp meter's on. It's nice and bright. The green's not so visible during the day, but anyway, let's reset the alarm. I'll set for 2 seconds. There we go. Okay, lights on, pumps are working. Yeah. Just a quick look, you can see there's the XLR connector sockets for the panel, and these are the 30 amp 250 volt, I think they are, but of course in Japan we get up to about 209 only. These are the 15 amp 125 volt outlets for the pumps. I've got 3 pumps actually, but I might invest in some stainless ones in the not so distant future. Wow, still some old yeast sitting around which I haven't used. Let's see what's in this one. We've got, wow, Burton Ale yeast, top crop, 1st of September. Oh, we've got a White Labs Kolsch yeast and another Kolsch, August the 7th. Or actually this one does say what it is. Oh, there we go, it's WLP007. Definitely dead, sitting in the heat in Japan, but anyway. Okay, little introduction to my future brew house.